चलो
Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the first chapter of second part, that is vocational skills. I sent you the PDF of employability skills, and I told you by going through that PDF you complete the question answer of that one. Some of you have sent me the solved question answers of those chapters, but some of you have still not submitted the question answers. Those who didn't submit it, you submit it fast to my personal number, not in group. So we are going to start web applications today. That is the first chapter of the second part, that is vocational skills. In this chapter, we have to learn about the basic concept of window. And we have to learn the shortcut keys to operate window. In the 9th class itself, I told you how to operate window with the keyboard. That only is written in this chapter also. For opening a new document, we have to use Control N in any of the application, or we can use Alt plus F plus N. Alt plus F will open the file menu. And by pressing N, we can open a new file. After learning the basic keys that I taught you in class 9 also, we have to move to the networking concept, because we are learning networking fundamentals. In web application, network is very important. So first of all, I am going to define what is a network. Network is nothing but connection of more than one computer in such a way that we can share the resources from one computer to another computer and another computer to the first computer. And whatever devices are connected to that network, any of the computer is capable to use that resource very effectively. That is the main purpose of a network. Like I am giving the example, we are having a network of 5 computers and we are having only one printer. So every 5 computer is able to access the printer at the same time. पाँचों कंप्यूटर एक ही साथ में प्रिंट आउट दे सकते हैं. but it depends upon the printer whose request is going first to the printer, that will be printed. But everyone is capable to access that printer. एक प्रिंटर से 5 कंप्यूटर का काम हो सकता है, 5 के बजाय 50 कंप्यूटर भी हो सकते हैं और एक प्रिंटर हो सकता है. With that we can have accessibility of that printer to all the computers connected in that particular network. That is known as computer network. The second one is reliability. If all the computers are getting connected, say for example, I am not having a document or a file, that file we can get from the other computer, so any other computer in the same network. The next one is we have to learn what are the types of computer. Types of computer. In web application we are learning networks, in networks we are learning types of networks. This topic is there in the old book also. If anyone have got the old book from the seniors, in that also this web application is there. This is the old book, and the new part which is added in this book, I have already sent you the PDF of that one, and some of you have completed the question answer of that one also. Okay? And those who are not having, they can order it online. This is available on both the Amazon as well as Flipkart. This is the book. The author is Sumita Arora. That you can order. Then types of network is, the first one is LAN, second one is MAN, and third one is WAN. The full form of LAN is local area network. Metropolitan area network. Then third one is wide area network. According to the geographical area of the network, size of the network, and the devices used in the network, that is divided into 3 categories. The smallest network is known as LAN, local area network. It consists inside a particular building or a room, and the area of LAN is starting from 10 meter to 10 kilometer. The area of LAN is 10 to 10 kilometer. But normally, whenever anyone is establishing LAN, they are establishing in a small area like rooms or offices. If anyone is having 4 or 5 room office, then they are developing, or the network is there in the building. That type of network is known as LAN, and we are not using bigger devices to connect the LAN. Then next one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network refers to the network which comes inside a city. 10 किलोमीटर के ऊपर अगर कोई नेटवर्क जाता है उसका जियोग्राफिकल एरिया अगर 10 किलोमीटर के ऊपर हो जाता है then it belongs to man, it is not coming under land. Sometime in 10 kilometer also man can be developed, but for that we have to use the devices which makes it to come under a man. The next one is WAN, wide area network. Wide area network is not having any limit and it can have any number of man as well as land. Collection of man and land is going to make this wide area network. Wide area network is not having any geographical area limit. कितना भी बड़ा हो सकता है. Then, in this network, the computers are also known as nodes. Workstation. The individual computer an individual computer in a network is known as nodes or workstation. Nodes or workstation. An individual computer is also known as nodes or workstation in the network. Next one is server. Next one is server. Whenever we are creating a network, we are having a structure. The normal computers are controlled by a special type of computer that is known as server. Server is controlling all the other devices or the resources which are connected in that particular network. Server. This is also a computer. Don't think that this is something else. This is also a computer with this is also a computer in the same network with all the information like files and softwares required to the nodes. This is a special type of computer which are having all the information like files and software, whatever we want, on normal computer, if any person is sitting and they are not having a particular software, so they are requesting the server to provide that particular software, and those software are already there with the server. In the network, whatever application we want to share with all the computer, we are keeping those information on the server that is automatically shareable to all the computers, other computers which are there in the network. That's why we are using networks. So these nodes are most of the time always requesting for any information to the server, and server is providing the information to the nodes, workstation. So this type of architecture is also called client server architecture. Client server. This is also known as client server architecture. So server is the computer which facilitates all the information which is required to the nodes or the workstation. Next one is internet. Next topic is internet. I hope all have you written. Internet is a global network. Internet is a global network. It can also be said that internet is a worldwide network. पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो नेटवर्क होता है, the computers network, that is known as internet. Okay, and this is basically made for sharing the information from any corner of the world. This is made for sharing the information in the any corner of the world. You can share the information from anywhere. Internet. Now, in internet, we are having so many networks. We are having so many networks, and whenever we want to connect two networks, two different types of networks. Say, for example, we want to connect a LAN with MAN, or MAN with MAN, or MAN with LAN, like that. To form the worldwide network, internet, in that case, we require the connectors. They are called gateways. They are called gateways. There are so many gateways which are, gateway is also a device which used to connect two different networks. दो अलग अलग नेटवर्क को अगर कनेक्ट करना है तो वी आर हैविंग टू डिवाइसेस, गेटवे और राउटर. Both are the devices which are capable to connect two different networks. So these are there are so many devices, so many gateways and routers are coming in the exam to make the internet. Okay? Internet is worldwide network. Internet is global network. Network. We can also say that it is network of networks. You can also say that this is network of network. In this video, you learn that much. In the next class, we will understand how the internet will be connected with a simple computer at your home. How your home computer, your workstation is being the part of internet. And tomorrow, in the next class, we will learn also the facilities provided by the internet also. And then we will also learn about some networking devices like hub, switch, repeater, router and all. Thank you.